So what does conjunction means? Okay, what does conjunction means? Conjunction. It is represented by the word and denoted by P conjunction Q. Okay, the symbol is this, okay, for conjunction. And let me difference between it, conjunction and disjunction. So talking about disjunction, it is denoted by this sign, and this is like denoted by R and written as P disjunction Q. Okay, so basically the truth table will be for this, like we know PQ. Okay, the truth table of PQ. Okay, P basically refers to T, true, false, false, and Q, true, false. And what does this indicate? Okay, so it is true, this true, and remaining are false. No matter what they are, just write it false, okay? And for the disjunction, okay, PQ, okay, we know this. True, false, true, false. And the truth table for this, oh, I'm sorry. For this will be true, no, false. Because false. Others are true, no matter what they are. It's right, true, okay? So what you have next is negation. Okay, NEZATI. It basically refers about like opposite, okay? Like it's not, including not. What we do here is it is denoted by this sign, okay? And if P is true, like just write that like this. Okay, negation of P will be false and true. Just opposite, okay? If there is true, write there false. If there is false, write there true. Okay, and some words that you need to know about negation are like all changes into some or not. Okay, some changes into no. Like somebody has stolen the key. Nobody has stolen the key. Okay, some not changes into all again, and no changes into same. I mean some. I'm sorry. Okay, that's this much about the negation too, and let's talk about conditional and biconditional. Okay, you have seen this, right? Okay, let's talk about conditional and biconditional. Like it indicate like this, okay? This, and it is also known as implication. Conditional is also known as implication, and this is biconditional is denoted by this sign, like both side, and it is the another word for this is equivalent. EQUIVALENCE, equivalence. Okay, and the truth table will be for this will be like P conditional Q will be, just remember that. Okay, let's write this first. True, false, and just remember q is the false. Okay, just for this case, remember q is false. Wait, you'll be confused. Okay, for this case, suppose q is false. Okay, and just remember, like, p conditional q, that means q is false. Okay, let's write it first. And suppose p is true, so write this as true first, and the answer will be false. Okay, just check if this is there or not. True, false, it means false, and remaining are just true. Okay, like p conditional q, q means f and p means true, t is equal to false. Okay, just remember like this. And what is biconditional? Just remember, it's like this. Okay, symbol, and conditional symbol is like this. Just remember, at conditional we do, like, we indicate it as true, conditional false, which is false. Okay, and at biconditional we use the same technique. Okay, true false is equal to false, but there is this sign, reverse sign also. That means, like, if there is false and, okay, no matter, and there is true, this means also false, and remaining are true. Just let me show you. Okay, true, false, true, false. And for this, let's see. Like, yeah, here is the condition. True, false. And false, true, false, and remaining are true. Okay, that's the simple thing you need to know in logic. Okay, and हजुर थाहा छैन हस्. Okay, so the two words you need to know are tautology, 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 and other one is contradiction, which tautology refers to the all true statement, and contradiction basically refers to all false. Okay, that's it for logic. That's enough for what you want to know from logic. So take care. Bye.